Welcome, my name is Balaj and we're here with Google, and as you can see we have beautiful new earbuds here in my hand where you cannot see the earbud part yet, but we have a nice textile on the outside and Type-C charging port on the back and the Google logo on the top. Obviously we'll have this magnetic little case so we can charge these headphones that are Bluetooth headphones up to 3 or 4 times, depending on obviously how many hours you will use them. You will definitely know how much battery you have left inside this little carrying case, charging case, and up to 24 hours is possible with the charging case to use these. Otherwise 5 hours of battery life is already integrated in the headphones that you can easily take out once they are obviously fully charged, and you will know about that. As you can see, the headphones look quite nice. Let me take them out and you can see then that they're quite simple. They go around the back of your neck. They are weighable in the blue, white and black colors that you have seen for the Pixel phones, and also they're adjustable for the inner ear size. You can see we can just take this little strap and pull and make this quite small for small ears, and then pull this up again for bigger ears. So what you can see here is obviously that we have now different sizes, and we have also the microphone built in, but here on one side up on top. But what's more important about this device is that obviously it connects via Bluetooth to any smartphone that you want to use it, but with a Pixel phone you can use it to use Google Translate in real time. Now that's why it's so expensive, over 150 bucks, because in real time you can have with up to 40 languages, 40 different languages in the world, a conversation without having to know the language. So if you only know English and the other person only knows, for example, Finnish or Hungarian or any other crazy language, then you can talk to that person in real time by letting these headbuds with the Pixel phone translate for you in real time. There's some demo videos about that online, so check those out. Right now I cannot demonstrate them to you. This was just a really short hands-on about the brand new Pixel buds here from Google. Thank you much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Balaj, and to actually easily put them back inside the case, you just have to put them back in like this, wrap it all around here on the outside and to the middle, and then you have them right away, easy and neat to take away with you. So thank you much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Balaj, and thank you much for watching.